that serving in the legislature is community service. It's a form of community service. Politics, as it's often used pejoratively, negatively, implies something where people always disagree. And I think that in the legislature, our job is to get things done for Maine people, and it's a form of community service, not much different than being on the town council, or in Thompson we have a select board, or being on a school board. I was on the SED 75 school board for 6 years, and I don't think I would call that politics, and this is a similar kind of job, just at a different level.